In this video, we're going to be using viral content and we're going to be using AI, okay? This is going to be one of the simplest things that you can do to get your YouTube shorts to be running like an ATM machine, all right? People have already watched them millions of times over, you guys, on my channel, and you guys, I have given them to you. And that is how super simple, super easy it is to use my YouTube short strategy. If you're tired of the stress, if you are tired of struggling, and you think the only option to get out of this is to work harder, well, I am going to change your direction with this video. Hey, thank you guys for tuning into the channel. My name is Coach Sam, and I teach women and men of all ages how to start their own faceless channels, how to make money online and without the stress. So in this video today, I am going to show you guys how I was able to quit my job, how I make 6 figures now using YouTube Shorts. I am going to show you guys and break down the exact strategy that I and many other creators use to make for yourself a decent income, and you do not have to go to work for it, okay? So like I said, you guys, this is going to be a step-by-step video, and I am going to show you the way to do this, because gone are the days where we are slaving for other people. Gone are the days where we're wishing that our lives are different. This is our time, and this is now. So let's jump right into the video. If you guys do not know, YouTube is the fastest and the easiest way to make money online. Starting a faceless channel is going to completely change your life. I started my faceless channel in January of 2024, and I have not worked since January 2024. And if you guys are new here, I used to be a realtor and I used to work 15 hours a day. I used this strategy and was able to completely change my life. As you guys can see, I travel the world now. I literally do what I want when I want, and I want that for you as well. So let's jump right into the video. Before we get into the video, I want to let you guys know is that we have a wonderful community. We have a whole program, you guys. So everything that you see here right now is going to be in the program. I'm going to link the program down below, and you guys, let's get to it. Let's start making our money online, and let's do the things that we want to do, okay? So I want to show you guys YouTube Shorts are phenomenal, because even if you don't have any followers, even if you are new to YouTube, you will be able to grow very quickly, and you're going to be able to grow anonymously, okay? So like I said, I hope you guys have a pencil and paper, and I hope you guys take notes on this, because this is going to blow your minds, okay? So as you guys already know, if you're a beginner, I am going to tell you that there are 2 channels that you can start almost immediately so that you can start building your online presence, so that you can start building your online business. And these 2 channels are what YouTube rewards. First of all, when you're starting a channel, you want to pick out a niche. So before we get into the video today, you guys, I want to read from you for my shout outs of the day. You guys, I love when you guys send me your shout outs of the day. That lets me know that 1, this program is working, and 2, you guys are getting to business. Coach Sam loves that. My goal is for every one of my students to be able to rewrite and to change their lives, okay? Because what I'm teaching is absolutely life-changing. We deserve to have better lives. We deserve every good thing that God has for us, okay? So like I told you guys, get to work. I want your life to look nothing like the life that you have now in less than 6 months. Get to work. Okay, so before we get into the video, I want you to hear what Ms. Darlene emailed me. She said, Coach Sam, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much, sis. I am an older woman and I needed a new start. That is the reason why I believe that God sent your channel to me. I am so grateful because since starting your channel, I was able to leave my job at the Burlington Coal Factory, and I was able to grow my following on YouTube, okay? YouTube, I've just received my first paycheck off of YouTube, and Coach Sam, I never would have thought starting this channel was possible. I am so happy to be a part of your program, be a part of the Rich Girls, and I am so proud to be a rich girl now. And now I am able to help my daughter with my grandkids and still have an income. I no longer work those 9 to 10 hour shifts. Coach Sam, thank you for all that you do for your community. And I appreciate all the time and effort that you spend with us. Thank you so much, Darlene. And I want to tell you guys, this is real. What I am showing you guys, it is so real. I want you to start your channel right now because you never know where your channel is going to take you. So what I am going to do, you guys, is I am going to link my program below. Not only are you going to get everything in this tutorial, but you guys are also going to get 1, all of your digital products, 2, all of the pre-made content, and you guys, my mentorship meetings is where I'm going to teach you how to put this all together, how to start your faceless channel right here, right now, okay? Because let me tell y'all something. Your channel has the power to take you places you never thought you would be. Just like me, you guys. I never thought I would be on the coast of South Africa. You guys, I have been in South Africa many of times, and I am thinking about moving down there. But all of this was possible with that faceless channel. So I am going to put a link below, and you guys, it shows you everything that is in the program. Pick up the program and come meet me in my free mentorship meetings. They are free with the purchase of your course, you guys. I am going to leave that link below, but I am going to show you how to put all of this together so that you can make your money and go. All right. So before we get into the video, let me do my inspiration of the day. And the inspiration of the day, you guys, is that God will never fail you. God will never fail us. If we start anything, if we start something, we know that God will be there for us, okay? So like I said before, you guys, put that inspiration in the comment section. You guys like this live and share it. So let's get into the video. So in this video, I am going to show you my YouTube short strategy. This is the strategy that literally made me over $50,000 per channel. And like I told you guys before, there are so many things that you can do with a faceless channel. 1, you do not need any experience. 2, it does not matter how old you are. And 3, all you have to do is use that beautiful voice of yours, okay? So let's get right into the video right now. So the first step that I want you guys to do is figure out what channel you actually want to start. You guys, in total, I have 10 channels. So the 10 channels that I have is, I have a debt channel, a budgeting channel, a resume channel, I also have a motivational channel, and I have a biblical channel. If you are brand new to this, what I am going to tell you to start, I am going to tell you to start either a motivational channel or a budgeting channel. The reason why I'm telling you guys to start this as a beginner is because these are the easiest channels to start. These are the easiest channels that you're going to be able to use this YouTube short strategy, okay? Because all we're doing, you guys, is using pre-made content and using AI. So that is going to be really simple, easy, and quick. And let me tell you something. If you have 20 minutes, if you have 20 minutes a day, you are going to be able to do this no matter if you have experience or not, no matter if you have any followers or not. You can start this, okay? So what we're going to do, first of all, you guys, we are going to go right into the program. And in the program, your content is already pre-made. When I tell you guys, All you have to do is post. Coach Sam, I did all of the work for you guys. Everything is done for you so that you can do this really quickly. I do not want you guys spending days upon days trying to figure out what to post. It is all there for you. So let's get into that tutorial right now. So, all right, you guys, this is going to be really quick, really easy. So like I told you guys before, I have already pre-recorded your content. Your content is already done for you guys. And what we're going to do is we are going to use that faceless content, and we are going to use the power of AI for this YouTube short strategy. This is going to be the easiest thing that you have ever done. Do not let these people tell you that starting a faceless channel is hard. It is not. The only thing that you need is the education. And like I said, I am teaching you guys from my own business how to do this, okay? So in your course, you're gonna have this 7,000 digital products, okay? And in fact, we have 800 faceless reels in this, but we also, you guys, have even more viral content, okay? So all of that is going to be included within the course. What you're going to do to make this really simple, really easy, we are going to go to the videos. This is actually going to be your content. You guys, this is the viral videos that goes in the background of your channel, okay? And you can use either one of this content, you guys. Now, what has been working for me and my students so well is the nature content, okay? This nature content, it goes viral on social media every single time. People love to see nature. They love to see these type of things. Anything that's calming and that is eye-catching, they love to see it. So not only are you going to have over 3,000 pieces of content, but in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use the content, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you are going to pick what short you want to add onto your channel, okay? So one thing you're going to do is, and this is the content, you guys, the content is absolutely amazing. So what you can do, and as well, you can go ahead and you can edit this content, okay? So how we're going to do this is, so the key to this is content. So in the program, you guys, your content is already pre-made for you guys. In this video, we're going to be using viral content and we're going to be using AI, okay? This is going to be one of the simplest things that you can do to get your YouTube shorts to be running like an ATM machine, all right? So first thing you're going to do, this is going to be included within the program. So you do not have to go out. You don't have to record anything. You don't have to do anything. The only thing that you have to do is post and put a quote on it, okay? So we're going to go to the Melanin Reels, you guys. And these are not, like I said, this is viral content, okay? It doesn't matter if you are a man, a woman, white, black, yellow, blue, it doesn't matter. You can still use this content because the content is literally faceless, okay? The content is faceless. When you're doing faceless, you can be anybody you want to be on the camera. So this is faceless. It does not matter, okay? And let me tell you guys, the content that really gets my channel up and moving is the content where you're looking like you're on the beach, you guys. There is a lot of nature content in here as well. Now, what does very well on my channel, you guys, is not only this content, but the nature content. The content, you guys, where it's calming, it's cool, you guys, that is the content that actually goes viral on the channel, okay? And a lot of people just like looking at these really aesthetic reels. So what you're going to do after you have picked out the reel, and I'm going to show you really quickly how you're going to pick out your reel. So what we're going to do, you guys, we are going to go right over here. We are going to hit the share button, okay? We're going to hit the share button, and this is how you're going to pick out what reel you actually want to put on there, okay? So what we can do is we can go to download. And you guys, instead of downloading all 402 reels at the same time, what you could do is go right here and you could go to you can either go to current page, you could go to any one of these. You're going to click share, which is going to allow it to download. Boom, you have now taken your video, your YouTube short, right out of the packaging program, okay? Then you're going to go over here. We're going to go to ChatGPT, and this is where the AI comes in at, okay? So what I want you guys to do with ChatGPT, I want you guys to use ChatGPT, and I want you to see what quotes for your niche is out there. What quotes, tips, or facts you can put on this faceless content. And I'm going to tell you something. If you're doing a motivational channel, people love motivational quotes, motivational content. But if you're doing a budgeting channel, people love tips and facts about budgeting. So we're going to start right here. ChatGPT, give me 100 budgeting tips for, and then you're going to put your target audience on there. So my target audience, you guys, is single moms. So I'm going to say for single moms. And then you guys, there we go. This is the magic of ChatGPT. Now, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to take one of these, and then you are going to go into TikTok and you are going to overlay this quote on the video you just pulled out. And that is how easy it is to start your YouTube shorts, okay? That's how easy it is to use my YouTube short strategy. That is how easy it is to start a faceless channel. You guys, these 6 to 7 second reels go viral every single day, because there's a lot of people out there who don't know how to budget. There's a lot of people out there who need motivation, you guys. And like I said, once you have these viral reels that's included in there, it is going to be much easier for you to start off your channel, because these reels have already been proven. People have already watched them millions of times over, you guys, on my channels. And you guys, I have given them to you. And that is how super simple, super easy it is to use my YouTube short strategy. This strategy has made me over $50,000 per channel per month. Coach Sam does not play. And I wanted to show you guys this because I want your life to look so different than it is today. I want you to look back on this in 6 months from now and say, I'm glad I started. I'm glad I'm a part of the rich girls, and I'm glad I'm living my life now, you guys. So like I said, you guys, I am going to leave the link to this program below. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm coming back to you guys with so much more, because I want you guys to be successful. Unlike other creators out there, Coach Sam looks out for her girls and guys. All right, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.